Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 incredibly useful websites that you might not have heard of before. Each of these sites can help you in different ways, whether you're looking for high-quality images, a way to remove vocals from songs, or a quick and easy way to create professional-looking graphics. So, let's get started. Number 1 website, htwins.net. The first website on our list is htwins.net. This is a fascinating site that lets you explore the scale of the universe. It's essentially a zoomable scale model of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest known structures in the cosmos. It's a great tool for understanding the relative size of objects in the universe, and it can help you appreciate just how vast and complex our universe really is. To use the site, simply zoom in and out using your mouse or trackpad. As you zoom in, you'll see smaller and smaller objects, from atoms and subatomic particles to cells, organisms, and eventually planets and stars. Keep zooming out, and you'll see entire galaxies and galaxy clusters. It's a great way to get a sense of the scale of things in the universe, and it can be a lot of fun to explore. Number 2 website, freimage.com. The second website on our list is freimage.com. As the name suggests, this is a site where you can find high-quality images that are free to use. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or just someone who needs images for personal use, this site can be a great resource. To use the site, simply search for the type of image you're looking for using the search bar at the top of the page. You'll then be presented with a range of images that match your search terms. You can browse through the images, and when you find one you like, simply click the download button to save it to your computer. The site has a huge range of images, so you're sure to find something that meets your needs. Number 3 website, vocalremover.org. The third website on our list is vocalremover.org. As the name suggests, this site lets you remove the vocals from songs. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to create karaoke tracks or who just wants to listen to the instrumental version of a song. To use the site, simply upload the song you want to work with. The site will then analyze the song and remove the vocals, leaving you with just the instrumental track. You can then download the instrumental version of the song to use as you wish. Number 4 website, mediaio. The fourth website on our list is mediaio. This is a site where you can convert files from one format to another. Whether you need to convert an image file, a video file, or an audio file, this site can help you do it quickly and easily. To use the site, simply upload the file you want to convert. You can then choose the format you want to convert it to, and the site will do the rest. The site supports a wide range of file formats, so you're sure to find the one you need. Number 5 website, ray.so. The fifth and final website on our list is ray.so. The site allows you to create beautiful screenshots of source code using a web tool with dark and light modes, color adjustments, and padding. Anybody who wants to create professional-looking code designs image just by copying and pasting code can use this tool. To use the site, simply paste your code into the box. You can now customize the image by choosing options. You can change the theme color, background color, dark mode, padding, and even coding language. You can use the site using keyboard shortcuts. Once you've created your design, you can download it as an image or share it directly on social media. And that's it. Those 5 incredibly useful websites can help you in different ways. Whether you're exploring the scale of the universe, looking for high-quality images, removing vocals from songs, converting file formats, or creating professional-looking designs, these sites can help you get the job done quickly and easily. Give them a try and let me know what you think. If our videos are helpful to you, kindly hit like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.